Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies across the area this morning. Going to see that mostly cloudy condition throughout the remainder of the day. Intervals, we'll see overcast conditions as well. A slight chance of a sprinkle in the early afternoon hours, but overall should remain dry today. Then we'll see a slight chance of some rain showers overnight tonight with a area low pressure off to our northeast, giving us the possibility of a few rain showers overnight. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level of 10,300 feet. Winds out of the northwest at low levels, about 10 to 20 knots. Then seeing our winds becoming more westerly to southwesterly between 9 and 12,000 feet. And increasing with height, we see a peak wind this morning out of the west-southwest 35 knots at 16,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure that's developing off the mid-Atlantic coast this morning. It's going to move towards New England in the northeast coast today into tonight, and it's going to give areas of the New England coastline some pretty bad weather with high winds, some storm surge, as well as heavy rain. So luckily the system will stay well to our north and east. We'll just see some backlash rain showers moving through overnight with that area low pressure retrograding down the coast slightly overnight, and then before moving off and over the open waters tomorrow. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we do see some holes in the cloud cover across the region this morning and across the northwestern Delmarva. You continue to see a weak area low pressure just off our coast. We have another area low pressure farther to the northeast of that, and that is the main area low pressure developing currently. Taking a look at our sky coverage, you can see we do have that broken deck of clouds around 1,000 to 1,500 feet this morning. And taking a look at the HRM model for the next 48 hours or so, you can see that cloud cover remaining over the area today. Possibility of a few rain showers north of our region is the best chance for this afternoon. Can't rule out a sprinkle over the area for the early afternoon hours, but most likely remaining well northwest of the region, north or east of the region, excuse me. We move into the evening hours tonight, and into tonight we'll see a possibility of a few rain showers moving through, but otherwise just going to see cloudy skies and some windy conditions today, and that'll be our main weather maker for today is the wind. As far as our long-range outlook here on the European model, you can see the area low pressure developing down to 975. That's a very strong area low pressure across and off of New England, and that's going to give them, as I mentioned, some poor weather across that region. Windy conditions on the backside of the low for us with a northwesterly component to our winds. Moving into the overnight hours, you see the European tries to bring down those rain showers for the overnight hours. And then for our Wednesday, looking like we'll have breezy conditions during the morning, becoming later winds during the afternoon, but going to see most likely a wind advisory from later this morning through tomorrow morning. Once we move into our Thursday, going to see lighter winds, high pressure in control before another system moves through, and be another potent area low pressure over the Tennessee into the Ohio Valley for Friday morning. We're going to see windy conditions, rain likely, slight chance for a thunderstorm, most likely. Won't see a thunderstorm, but the rain and wind looks likely. And then into our Saturday, we'll have an upper level low over the area. That's going to give us a slight chance of a sprinkle to a light rain shower. And then for Sunday, we'll see that upper level low move northeast of the region. That should give us continued mild conditions in the mid-60s, partly to mostly cloudy skies. And then to Monday, looks like we'll have a nice weather setup, high pressure in control, temperatures fairly seasonable for this time of year into the mid-60s. So looking at our risk chart for today, a high of 68 today, low tonight of 52, northwesterly winds 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 35 knots this afternoon. And as I mentioned, we'll most likely see that wind advisory from later this morning through tomorrow morning with those winds gusting over 25 knots. As far as our rain shower chances, looking about a 20-25% chance overnight. We did have some rain showers earlier across the region, and that is why we do have an orange here, but not expecting any more rain showers today other than an isolated sprinkle possible, and that's less than 20%. As far as our terminal forecast, going to see ceilings below 3,000 feet until at least 1,400 local today. Then it should see VFR conditions until 1,800 local, and then our ceilings will go back down overnight, possibly down to 800 feet with any rain showers in the region. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. Our tides are slightly above normal due to that area low pressure off our coast. And then for Wednesday through Thursday, Wednesday overcast to mostly cloudy and breezy, high of 67 degrees, red condition for our winds. We will have winds over 25 knots during Wednesday morning. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with lighter winds, a low of 50. And for Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then mostly cloudy overcast in the afternoon, high of 64 degrees. Next 7 days, that 20 to 25% chance of a rain shower tonight. Otherwise, dry conditions through Thursday, and then for Friday, looks like we'll have that rainfall likely in the morning. Will be windy as well, seeing wind gusts possibly up to 40 to 45 knots Friday morning. So it will be a windy morning, then turning lighter. So could see those tides slightly above normal for Friday morning with that onshore flow out of the easterly component. And then for Saturday and Sunday, looks like a pretty tranquil weekend. Temperatures in the mid-60s, a slight chance of a rain shower late Saturday, but otherwise looks like good conditions and good conditions continuing into early next week with a high of 68 degrees expected for our Monday under partly cloudy skies. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.